This video I will be sharing with you new data entry project which I got on a board. So first let me show you the client instruction and then I will show you how to work on it. Okay, here on the screen you can see this is a client instruction. He's saying that I'm looking for an expert to collect 100 contact data from this below website. Okay, so here is the website, and then he's saying that in compile into an Excel spreadsheet, the heading for the sheet need to be first name, last name, location, email, phone number, age range. So here is a little bit complicated for some people who don't understand English better. So here is saying that age range, if more than one, then each in a different cell. Okay, then he's saying that service offer, if more than one, then each in a different cell. Okay, so this is very important step, guys. So here I have already created Excel spreadsheet. Here you can see. So I will just do a little bit designing here. So here I will just increase the size of the text, and then I will bold this, and I will also change the color of this. Okay, now here you can see. So this is the Excel spreadsheet. So I have put everything here. This is the first name, last name, location, email, then phone number, then age range 1, age range 2, then age age 3. So you have do this thing guys, same. Okay, then you will need to copy the website URL, which is this one. Okay, so I have already copied the website URL and I have pasted here. You can see, guys. So this is the website URL. Okay, so this is the data which we need to collect from here. Okay, so anyway, guys, you can also use AI here to do this kind of work for you. So if you want to learn about more about AI, how to work on it, so you can come, you can see I have created a long course which are free, available on my YouTube channel, which is 8-hour long course, guys. I have already shared with you different tool how to work on AI and do different kind of data entry project. So if you didn't watch this video, I will highly recommend you to watch the video and learn. Okay, now here, guys, is the project. So how to work on it, it's very simple. Okay, so I will just show you the manual process how to do it, but if you want to use AI, you can also do it. Okay, so guys, first you will need to copy the name. So this is the first name. Okay, so you will just copy the name, and then here we will paste it. Okay, and then I will go back and I will copy the second name, which is this one. Okay, and then I will come here to the Excel spreadsheet and I will paste it. Now we need to copy the location address. So the location address, here you can see this is their location address. So just copy it and then you can paste it here. Then we need to copy the email address. Okay, so to copy the email address, here you can see this is the email address. So I will simply copy from here and then I will paste it here. Okay, so there are, guys, multiple ways which you can do it. I'm just showing the simple way as possible so that everyone can understand the process. Okay, so if I just a little bit go up here, now here you can see this is the contact number. So I will simply copy the contact number and then I will simply paste it here. Now it's time, guys. Here you can see it's showing age range 1. Okay, so if I come here, now here you can see this is showing age range. Okay, so here this is the primary, so this is the one entry. Okay, I will just simply copy from here and then I will simply paste it here. Okay, now I will come back here and here you can see this is secondary. So I will copy this from here and I will paste it here. Okay, so guys, you can see if I just come back here, now here you can see we don't have another data. We don't have any other information which we need to copy, like service 1, service 2. So this data is not available there. Okay, so we have to skip this one and now we need to go to another entry. Okay, so this is entry number 2. Okay, so I will just simply come here and then I will copy the first name, this is the last name, and then this is the location, this is the email address. Okay, so you will need to copy the email address, this is the contact number. Okay, so simply copy and paste there. Okay, then this is age number 1. Okay, so you will need to copy this and you will need to paste it here. Okay, and then this is another one, just copy this one, secondary. Okay, and then paste it here. Then this is now here you can see this is service offer. Okay, so you will need to copy this one, this is the first one, so just copy it. Okay, and here you can see service 1. Okay, guys, so you will need to paste it here. For the first entry, guys, there was no service. Okay, so we skip it. Okay, but here on the second entry you can see we have this data. Okay, so I copy the first one, now I will copy this one. Okay, so then I will come back and then I will paste this data here. Okay guys, so very simple. I already show you. This is the first name, this is last name. You will need to copy this, then this one, then email, and you will need to paste it here. Okay guys, so you have to do this. Okay, it's very simple. And then if I just go down here, you can see this is another one, first name, last name. Okay, this is the location address, this is their email address. You will need to simply copy this one. Okay, and then here is the contact number, and here guys you can see age 1. Okay, age range, so you will need to copy this one. Okay, and then copy the secondary, then study scale, then assignment, and this one. Okay, so it's very simple guys. You have to just copy this data. Okay, and then you have to paste it here. Okay, so you will just need to copy 100 contact data from this website. So I will share the website link with you in the video description. I hope you understand the whole scenario of this project, so you can create a data entry portfolio for yourself from this project. And I hope you understand everything, and I will highly recommend you again guys, if you didn't watch my this course which are 100% free, available on my YouTube channel. So just watch it and learn the data entry skill and detail, so that you will be expert in this field and you can do this kind of work for other client, and you can earn a very good amount of money. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. See you in another video. Bye.